Dear students, today we are going to discuss regarding prescription and its part. I am Hemant Kumar Chauhan, Senior Lecturer from Principal K.M. Kundanani Pharmacy Polytechnic, Ulhasnagar. Learning objectives. After watching this video, students will be able to define prescription, identify different parts of prescription, understand the significance of different parts of prescription. Prescription definition says prescription is a written order given by a registered medical practitioner or dentist or veterinarian or any other licensed person to the pharmacist to dispense proper medications to the patient. The different parts of prescriptions are given: date, patient information like age, weight, sex, address, etc. Superscription, inscription, subscription, signature, that is signa, renewal instructions, and doctor signatures. There are the different parts of prescriptions are given. This is the typical example for you to know that how Latin prescriptions look alike. As we just now seen, there are different parts of prescription, out of which usually a prescription, first it contains the name of the hospital, dispensary, nursing home or etc. with address and its phone number and etc. Then the thing which comes first in the mind of part is a date. The date mentioning on the prescription. Then the patient information, which is name of the patient, age, sex, address, body surface area and the weight of the patients are given, because these all are having significance in their own. Then this is another part of prescription, that is called superscription. These are the name of ingredient, their quantities are given. This part is called inscription. Then this is the next part of prescription is a subscription containing the name of the dosage form or with what quantity has to be dispensed. Then the next part is signa. This instruction to the patients are given like this. Then there is a refilling instructions for the patients are given over here, and last is the doctor's signatures and etc. is given over here. Now in the parts of prescription, the first part which comes is the date. The date helps a pharmacist to find out the date of prescribing and date of presenting for filling the prescription. Prescription of narcotic or other habit forming drug must bear the date on it, because patient may come to the pharmacy many times and may dispense the same drug for many times, which can be misused by the patient. Therefore, to avoid the misuse of the prescription, writing the date on prescription is very important. Second is patient information. Name, age, sex, address, body surface area must be written, because it serves to identify the prescription for whom you are dispensing. It also helps the pharmacist to check the prescribed doses of medication in case of children's or geriatric patients over there. By seeing a prescription, you can easily identify for whom you are dispensing the prescription. According to that, you can see the errors in prescription and change accordingly. Then comes the main one of the part is superscription. It represented by the symbol RX. Most of the time you have seen on prescription RX is written, which is written before writing the prescription, actual prescription. It is an abbreviation of Latin word recipe, which means you take or take you. In olden days, the symbol was considered to be originated from the sign of Jupiter, that is god of healing. Means writing the RX on the prescription is nothing but you are praying to the god for getting healed quicker or faster. The next part of prescription is inscription. Inscription is a main part of prescription in order, which contain the name and quantities of the prescribed ingredients. The name of each ingredient is written on separate line along with its quantity. Just now we have seen a typical example of Latin prescription in which inscription can be divided into different parts like base, adjuvants and vehicle. Base are nothing but active medications present in the formulation. Adjuvants are added to improve the safety, efficacy and palatability of the formulations, and vehicles are added in the formulation to dissolve or disperse the content over there. Next part of prescription is subscription. Subscription, it gives a direction to the pharmacist for preparing the dosage form and number of doses, that it means in quantity or volume of dosage form to be dispensed. For example, in the previous Latin prescription, the instruction was given fiat mixtura mitte 1 fluid ounce. It means that, or it can be translated in English that make a mixture and send 30 ml. Next part of prescription is signa. This consists of direction to be given to the patient regarding administration, means how to take the medication over there. For example, directions given in the previous prescription was cochlear magnum Turindai Posibos Sumenda. It means in English 1 tablespoonful to be taken 3 times a day after meal. Then the next part it comes is a refill. Number of authorized refills are indicated to prevent misuse of prescription, because patient with psychotropic drug on regimen, diabetic patient, patient with a heart disease which are on long medication regimen need to refill the prescription many times. Every time going to the physician is not possible for them. So if the physician mentions for refilling on the prescription, patient can directly go to the pharmacist and refill the prescription again and again and again. The physician can mention the detail for refilling and the pharmacist can refill it. The last part require signature, address and registration number of prescriber. It is very important in order to avoid misuse of prescription. It is also important for authentication of prescription, because if these things are not mentioned on the prescription, you cannot say the prescription is authentic. It can be written by anyone, So writing of these are very important on prescription. Thank you for watching this video. Send your response at my email address given over there. Thank you.